slums of Shaolin, in the basement with RZA, playing chess, smoking blunts, drinking 40s, master killer. RZA say, yo, Just. He said, I got a beat. I need you to rock something on and shit, flash. I said, word, let me hear it. So he put the disc in, right? Then I was hearing something like this, and he said, you know, you should rock to that shit, right? I said, what? He said, remember that routine? Because at this time when we was recording, the routine was already 10 years old. And I was like, what you talking about? He's like, you know, remember that routine we used to do? And when something like, he was like, I think it went, when the MC came, without the name, something along those lines. Some had to snort cocaine, insane. I said, yeah, it sounds familiar. A little bit. What's the rest of it? He said, some had to snort cocaine to act insane. I said, yeah, you told me that part already. I said, what's the rest of it? He said, hold on, let me think. He said, now on the mental plane, spark your brain, building to be born. I said, RZA with the track, with the what? Cut, get the Thank you.